How would you like to find out the top 5 retirement planning strategies to help you be happier, healthier, and wealthier? Hey there, I'm Lynn Tooming. I am a financial life coach and retirement expert, and I am hosting a retirement planning masterclass. Join us from the convenience of your home. All you need is a laptop, a notebook, and a pen, because there's so much information I'm going to share. You're going to want to take notes. And in addition, you're going to get a 25-page workbook that goes along with the class. If you're like so many women that I've met over the last decade, educating, writing, and speaking about retirement, you have worries, you have concerns, you're a little overwhelmed, you're a little stressed, you have lots of questions. Well, in this free masterclass, I'm going to try to cover as many of those as possible. And then I'm going to give you some very clear next steps to take on your journey to and through retirement. So if you want to join me, go to this URL right here. And I really, really hope to see you there. Let's get her done.